friends, welcome to the Healthy Zone. I'm trying something different today. I am actually recording this with my iPhone, so I have no idea what the sound is like or how it's going to come out, but I thought I would give it a shot because it is Saturday and I just didn't want to set the camera and lights up in the kitchen with the whole family being about. All right, so what am I bringing to the Healthy Zone today? We are going to make my version of frozen yogurt, and I have an assortment of yogurts as you can see in front of me, and you can make this with either cow's milk yogurt or a coconut yogurt. Now when you're using coconut yogurt, I don't happen to like the standard one that's in Target and all grocery stores. It doesn't even taste like coconut to me. So I do splurge and spend a little bit more money on the new versions of coconut yogurts that are really, really good. Now I am not one to usually add fruit, or buy, I should say, fruit in my yogurt. But this one here is coconut mango passion fruit. It is dairy free. And this one here has 150 calories per pack. And then you can see the ingredient list right there. And then the sugar, there's actually 10 carbohydrates with 5 grams of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and use this today because I want to make a mango passion fruit coconut yogurt. And another thing about these new versions, they actually taste like coconut milk. So really good. If you don't want to add the fruit, they do make it in a plain version, and I buy this at my Wegmans. I don't know what stores in your area, of course, would carry it, but it is worth looking into. And then there is another brand that I've not yet tried, but I did buy it, and I'm going to use it for something else this week so I can really taste the flavor of it. And it's Koyo Coconut Yogurt Alternative. And this one here, there is the ingredient list. It has 390 calories. Now that is all because it's mostly because it's coconut, and it has the healthy fats in there for you. It has no cholesterol. It has 10 grams of carb. It has 5 grams of fiber and 5 sugars in this one. But another thing about these is they're really nice, thick, and creamy. Now, if you want, now this one, next one is a seasonal flavor, but you know, I am madly in love with passion fruit. And I usually have this as a snack during the day with pecans in it. Oh my goodness, it is so, so good. And this is the passion fruit. Now, Ziggy's is known to be a cleaner yogurt. It is dairy, so you have to be careful of that. It has 140 calories. It does have 11 grams of sugar, but for a treat, I'm okay with that. So you will, of course, choose whatever coconut yogurt you want for this, and you will need 2 containers. These contain 4.2 ounces, so I'm going to need 2 of them. I'm making enough for Louie and myself, and if Louie doesn't eat his, then I just put it in the freezer and I have it later. You're going to need some Himalayan salt because, as I've said in every single video, it just brings the flavors together. You're going to need a little bit of vanilla, and you're going to need my mango chunks. Now today I am doing a mango passion fruit, and I'm going to use this one here. However, I have made it with this one, and it's very, very good. If you can find passion fruit, ooh la la, you are lucky. I cannot. All right, so today I'm going to use mango, but you can use cherries, blueberries, strawberries, any frozen fruit you want, okay? You're going to need about a good cup of frozen fruit, okay? And then I'm going to take, because this is a coconut base, and I'm using mango, which lime complements mango, and passion fruit, I'm going to use a little spray of lime juice. And I shouldn't need any other liquids, but we'll see. Now I'm doing this one-handed with my phone, so obviously I'm going to use my Ninja because it has the smaller cups, and then you'll need a pretty little glass for yourself and an ice cream scoop. Now I'm going to go ahead and put everything in to the jar that I choose to use, and then underneath this video we'll have all the measurements, and if I can record, I will record myself blending it up. You may need to stop it and stir it up a little bit because we're not adding any liquid to it. And I would make it in the Vitamix, which makes it easier, but the Vitamix, because it's such a small batch, it sprays all around, and then I have to scrape the sides and all that kind of stuff. Too much. All right, my friends, so I'm going to turn you off for just a second, and I'm going to fill up the jar, and we will be back. and this will be so yummy.
Okay, so I have everything in my Ninja, and I used probably of the mango chunks. I actually filled it up until I couldn't fill it up anymore. So I used about 2.5 cups of mango chunks. Because this yogurt is a little thinner, you're going to need to use more frozen fruit. But this should come out a good consistency. If not, you can always add more frozen fruit. So depending on your yogurt size, your yogurt cup, it's going to depend on how much fruit you use. You can make your yogurt as thick as you like, or your frozen yogurt as thick as you like or as thin as you like. So I'm going to go ahead and press down. Okay, so now you'll see that it's not really coming down. That's because these mixers, for me, this only does so much, but we're going to fix that. So hang on. I'm going to just open it up and I'm going to push everything down so that the bottom comes down to meet the top. All right? I'll be back. I'm going to shake it. Give it a little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take it off and give it one more stir. Okay, so it is done blending, and I wanted to show you what your frozen yogurt will look like. I will probably not use this Ninja. It's my first time using the Ninja doing this, so I probably won't do it. I don't think it's big enough. Anyway, it still came out, but the Vitamix does work better even when you have to scrape it down. So now you're just going to take your ice cream scoop. Let me get my pretty bowl right there. Take your ice cream scoop. And you have beautiful frozen yogurt, my friends. Beautiful. If you buy yogurt, a coconut yogurt or a dairy yogurt that has live active probiotics, you make this even healthier for you. So let me grab a spoon because I forgot that. So hang on. Let's give it a taste. You can see it's beautiful. It's creamy. It's just yummy. Let me see. Oh, it's fabulous. Oh, it is so fabulous, my friends. I love that mango passion fruit. But anyway, again, you can use it with any flavor that you like. You just want to make sure that it's a beautiful, beautiful frozen consistency. Now this, I will just take and I'll put it in a glass freezer bowl. And I'll just spread it out into the bowl and I freeze it. And then I'll let it come to room temperature. If I want it a little softer, I mean, I'll scoop it out. It gets a little bit harder to scoop out after you freeze it, but if you let it come to room temperature, it will then become a beautiful soft serve frozen yogurt. Okay. You could sprinkle some unsweetened coconut shreds on there too. That would be really good. You could top this off with anything you want. Fresh mango, anything. If you like fruit in your frozen yogurt, you could mash some of that up and then stir it in, little chunks of it, and you'll have chunks of mango in your frozen yogurt. You can do anything you want because it's your yogurt. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a try. Remember, you can use any fruit that you like, any yogurt that you like. I'm not sure how this would work with almond or almond-based yogurts or cashew-based yogurt, but I know it works fabulous with coconut yogurt. So go ahead and give it a try. Leave in the comments if you are going to try it, and then after you've tried it and it just your taste buds are dancing, come back and tell me about it in the comments. All right, my friends, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. And let's add fit in there. Be fit. And that doesn't mean being a size 0, 2, 4, 6. It doesn't mean being any size. It just means being healthy and fit at the size you are, my friends. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bisous.